Quiet on set, quiet on set. Quiet on set. Spray it all over.
Go shine.
Oh yeah, she's gonna shine, right? She's gonna shine or what? That's what I'm talking about. Believe me, this ain't cheap labor. Even blown up, it looks good. Was this stuff any good? I don't know, I'd give it a 5 out of 10. And I pretty much had to use the whole thing to get the bike clean. So, 5 out of 10. So yeah, it was all right. I mean, it cleaned the bike, but the best way to go is some Dawn dish soap and oven cleaner. I mean, that's the best way to clean a dirt bike, at least for me. Cleans it up a lot better, shines it up way better. But it was all right. At least the bike's clean now. Getting ready for the rebuild. I gotta tear it down soon. I just don't want to do it yet because, like I said, it's been cold and stuff, and this thing doesn't have the best area to be all busted down and, you know, top end off of it and wide open and stuff. But it's coming soon, and it's gonna be awesome. And then all the parts I got for Christmas, new bars, new back tire, new tube, little doodads here and there. It's gonna be awesome. But just a little video trying out that Muc-off stuff. You know, I got it for my birthday and it cleaned up the bike. It was cool, but you know, not the best. But for now, that's a little video I threw together for you guys. The teardown video will be coming soon. It's gonna be awesome. See what we messed up. And I also wanted to say thanks for 30 subscribers. It just happened yesterday. Pretty awesome. You know, 30 people want to watch my derelict films, I guess. I know some people are family and friends, but it's a pretty cool milestone. You know, 30 subscribers. It's pretty nice. And we got over 10,000 views on the channel overall on all my content, which is sweet. So, you know, that's pretty cool. Just wanted to thank everybody that is subscribed and watches for actually watching, and it's pretty awesome. That's why I'll have more content coming and whatnot, you know. So that's pretty sweet. I just wanted to thank you guys for that also. And that's it for now. Don't forget, if anybody else, you know, you could subscribe if you want to that watches. And don't forget to like, leave a comment, and have a good night.
subscribe.